Want to give your space a modern industrial look while staying cool all year round? This ceiling fan does exactly that. This is the industrial vintage ceiling fan, available in 36, 42, 52, and 60-inch sizes, making it a great fit for bedrooms, living rooms, cafes, restaurants, or even office spaces. The first thing you'll notice is its stylish retro design. With a combination of ABS blades, copper, and iron, it blends industrial charm with a clean, modern finish. But it's not just about looks. This fan is powered by an efficient DC motor that delivers strong airflow while using less energy and running much quieter than traditional ceiling fans. It also comes with a remote control, so you can easily adjust the fan without getting up. Another great feature is the built-in 24-watt LED light, providing bright, energy-efficient lighting while eliminating the need for a separate ceiling fixture. You can also choose from several finishes, including black, white, walnut grain, and wood-style designs, making it easy to match almost any interior decor. For added peace of mind, the fan is certified to international safety standards and includes a 2-year warranty. Overall, if you're looking for a ceiling fan that combines powerful cooling, modern lighting, and eye-catching industrial style, this is definitely one to consider. And if you'd like to check it out or order one for your home, the link is in the description.